I guarantee you're overcomplicating your trading when it comes to liquidity. Let's simplify. So all you need to know when trading the New York session is if price during London session continued without taking Asia session liquidity, that means that New York session is highly likely to come back and liquidate London before giving the main move of the New York trading session. Here's an example on NQ. Here we have Asia session, which consolidated before price continued into London session without taking any sell-side liquidity in Asia. Price then pre-New York came back to liquidate London lows before giving the move of the day. Let's have a look at the next day. Asia session, again, consolidated. London session also consolidated before pre-New York continuing to the upside, but London session did not liquidate anything in Asia. So what did price come back and do during New York? It liquidated London and then continued to the upside. Let's have a look at the next day. Asia session, more volume this time, but price continued inside London session to the upside without liquidating Asia. What did price do during New York? It came back for session-based liquidity, resting below London, and it gave the move of the day. Let's have a look at one more example, which is also the very next day. Asia session consolidated, price again pushed to the upside during London without taking Asia session liquidity. New York price came all the way back to take London lows before continuing to the upside. Now for the best setups, you should always follow the 4-hour time frame. If the 4-hour is bearish, look for sells above a previous session high like London highs. And if the 4-hour is bullish like in the example shown, only look for buys below previous session lows. Give me a follow for more weekly trading videos.